Hey everyone, I'm Coach Lottie Ann Silvas. Welcome to my podcast video on the internet on my YouTube channel. Welcome. Guys, I want to talk about having the right kind of business. If you're wanting to start a business online, all right, use a business niche that you're good at, okay? If you're good at making videos, if you're a YouTube influencer, you love being on YouTube, you've always wanted to make a video, if that's a passion that you have, this would be the right niche for you, is to get involved in a YouTube ad program where you can start making money all by creating videos, uploading videos on a YouTube channel. And if you don't have a YouTube channel, you want to start a YouTube channel, I recommend that you start one now, okay? YouTube requires the ad program requires you to have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch time hours within the year. Okay, when your year is up, I don't know what's going to happen, but try to get it within a year so that your channel will be monetized. And then you're going to fill out some applications, and then you gotta make sure you have one AdSense account. It's the process to get monetized. There is a process. I'm going through one of my channels right now, getting it processed. So it says that it's going to take a couple weeks, but that's okay. As long as my channel is monetized, I'm really happy. Okay, it really takes a lot of involvement in your work, your ethics, and you're persistent. You got to be consistent uploading videos every day. Please do not upload 1 or 2 videos. All right. Try to upload as many videos as you can every day. The better videos you make, how many videos you make, the better chance of money. You're going to make more money. Okay. Just don't upload just a few videos at a time. Try to do one consistently, persistently every day. Just like what my mentor tells me, Wesley $1 Billion Virgin, he posts 4 to 5 videos a day, guys. That's why he's making a lot of money on YouTube in the YouTube ad program. Now, he makes money all year round. That's why he's a millionaire, because he has lots of multiple streams of income. All right, and he does make his own products. Now, to become successful, always follow the leaders. Always follow and model after your leaders, okay? Your successful leaders. Like I'm following, with my pace, I'm following my mentor, Wesley $1 Billion Virgin. My next goal after the monetization is I'm going to create a product and upload it on Digistore and ClickBank. So I want to, I think my next project is to upload a ebook about something that's really valuable for you. Anything probably about business, or maybe it might be something about my crafts. I'm not sure, but I'm going to upload a product. I'm going to create one and upload it and see where it will go. Okay. But it's a lot of testing, guys. You got to test a lot of things. You're just going to have to do whatever door that's going to open up. You might think it might be the one that you think it's going to open, but it might be something different. All right, it might be something that you never could imagine become the successful thing, the successful product that you never thought that will be the one that will get you wealthy. All right, so I don't know I don't know what product that will get me wealthy, but I'm going to keep trying all kinds of ways until I get it. Now, working an online business, guys, it takes work, effort. You can't let you always got to be positive. You always got to be on top of things. You cannot allow anything negative or anything to bring you down if you're doing a business online, especially working for yourself. You got to always keep going. Do not stop. Do not quit. Just go and go and go and do your business. Okay? But to become successful online is you have to find the right business that you are good at, the right niche. Like, for example, I'm a YouTube influencer. I love YouTube. I love uploading videos. So that's a passion that I have. So I know I will be successful on YouTube no matter what, because I love YouTube and I love making videos. I'm determined, I'm persistent, I'm consistent, and I have my second channel will be monetized next week. I've got this one going right now. It's in the process of monetization, and then the next one will be after. But that's not it, because I'm actually going to create another YouTube channel with my crafts, with my crochet crafts. So this video podcast is just an update, guys, of me telling you what my goals that I'm reaching for this year, 2021. Now, get excited, because I'm going to have 3 channels monetized. I'm going to have my crochet channel running. I'm going to do some webinars with that channel, do a lot of teaching, and actually making this a full-time business with my crafts, and just letting go of my 9-to-5 job, letting go of my nursing career. And I'm just going to start making money online and just be busy on my retirement, doing it. The passion that I love to do is to crochet. I love to do craft shows, and I love YouTube channels. So I'm making 3 channels this year so I can be monetized, which I am monetized, and I see it done already, and I'm making lots of money and making more money than I would as a regular job. And I'm very, very happy, and I'm very, very pleased where I am going. So, guys, I want to thank you for actually stopping by at my channel. I will continue to watch my buddy group. Okay, just because I'm monetized, I'm still going to watch your channels, guys, because I want you guys to get your hours. I'm not going to stop. So you'll see me on time and time in the group. I don't know what Miss Ariella would do if I have another channel connected with this buddy group. But maybe I will do that with my crochet channel. And guys, I believe in you, and I believe you're going to be successful this year. I believe that the buddy group that I'm involved in with other students like me, you guys are going to be monetized this year. I see everybody's getting monetized. The earlier group getting monetized one by one, and I'm finally one of them. But I know there's others going to follow after me. Yes, you can make money on YouTube. Yes, you can get it in a short time. Being involved with this, with Wesley Billion Dollar Virgin's monetization YouTube ad program. But before you apply to do and join it, if you're in the Done For You services, you need to start your YouTube channel. You need to create your channel art. You got to have your name, and you got to upload videos, and make sure you watch the guidelines that YouTube wants you to upload, what kind of videos that you need to upload. All right, the best kind of upload video that you should do is your original uploads. All right, and you will learn from how other students are doing. Don't hesitate if you're brand new in a YouTube ad program with Wesley Billion Dollar Virgin. Just go ahead and ask other members of the buddy group, and they will give you lots of help how to go about, how to do things. Okay, you guys have to take the action. You got to make it happen, and I believe in you. So I believe in your success and your goals, because this is your desire. And just want to thank everybody for all your support, for helping me monetize my channel. I appreciate all your work. All the hard work that we have done together is all going to come to pass. Everybody is going to be successful in the end, because we're looking out for each other as entrepreneurs, as millionaires in the future. So you are a millionaire. Believe that you are, and let's take action, guys. All right, talk to you guys soon. Bye-bye.